Hello guys, good morning. So now we are still in Udaipur and we are going to visit the lake on the boat. So see you later. Nice. So we have arrived here next to the lake. We got Deepak here.
And the guide, famous guide in Udaipur.
Udaipur.
I will take something to drink. So I take here after for the boat. After, okay?
So here for the boats you have different prices. 180. Look, this is for the normal boat and 360 for luxury boat.
Yeah, foreigner.
What's the problem? Ah, okay. So the foreigner have different price.
Ah, but 3 I say. At 360 per foreigner. So one more. We need one more Indian.
So 360 for foreigner and the Indian have to pay 180. It's different price. Even for temples or other places, Indians have different price and foreigners have to pay a little bit more.
He's cricketer, famous.
Both.
Okay.
Beach. Thanks, sir.
You are from Punjab? Rajasthan.
Karauli district. Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Foreigner.
Hello.
Ticket. 2 members.
How many times we did check, man?
It's like the airport. Safety first. Yeah, put this. I have to take off my backpack.
Okay. Pen.
this.
तेरा कौन है मसाज पे लेफ्ट है को हमारा जो
यही मिल पड़ जाएंगे ये का डूबेगा कौन देगा
अरे भाई होटल कौन आ रहा है जो देगा ऐसा चलता अच्छा क्या
So there you can see a hotel. This is the Taj Hotel, and I think it's like a 5-star hotel. Very expensive. 7 stars? Really? Oh, it's a 7-star hotel. That's great.
Yeah. Laddu.
Very good.
थैंक यू सो मच चश्मा आया चश्मा इसके
Superstar. He's Bollywood superstar.
बॉलीवुड सुपरस्टार
Shahrukh Khan. We have arrived. It was nice. It was very nice. Now we have to get back. This safety jacket. How can we say in English? How is it, Felix? Do you like it?
It's cool. It's peaceful.
Yeah.
I'm sweating a lot, but
Yeah, guys, it's very, very
it's cool
hot.
to see the city from the lake.
Yeah,
Different point of view.
it's very nice. Now, guys, I just need to drink something like very, very cold. Even cold water, because it's very hot. Very hot.
We drink something and we go and swim.
I wanna swim a little bit. Why not? Let's go. Let's go for a swim.
Can we see somewhere else where less people are there? Do you know a spot where we can swim? Less people, less polluted? You know?
It's So here we have some juice. Here we have some fruits, smoothies, like coconut.
Après les Coréens, ils sont pas terribles ici. They're not so good. 100.
Oh my god, this is the most expensive coconut I've seen in Asia. 100 rupees. Okay, for Europe it's okay. It's like one euro.
Let's ask Deepak to go alone and he will get 2 for 100.
2 rupees for you. Yeah. Here when you are a tourist, you have to pay twice. Like that.
Maybe he had a big coconut behind, you know, big like this.
The coconut.
Just for us, the super coconut.
You can drink for 1 month. Okay, let's go.
I've never been that close, not once. Yeah, first time we are that close. We'll take a video from the top behind, in front of you. We will put the camera here, then we have a video of us coming.
So we're gonna take some sugarcane juice, very fresh. Now he's starting the engine. Okay guys, so we're gonna stop the video here. It was nice. See you next time. Now we're gonna leave Udaipur tonight and we're gonna go in a new city. Subscribe, like, thank you very much.